My business partner, Dave McKee, started the Hitch House in 1969. Bought his first trailer when he was in the military. He was a captain in the military, and that was it. He was sold on the industry. What do I particularly like about motorhomes is that they come in all ranges, shapes, and sizes, and luxury, like the one you see here.
No matter what you're traveling with, whether it's a small van, a C-Class, a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or one of these great big diesel pushers, you're gonna have a blast. We're focused here on, getting people into motorhomes, but the whole RV industry as a whole, it's meant to make memories. We really do love what we do.
We carry Newmar because it's probably the best built motorhome out there, and certainly the luxuriousness of the coach is second to none. We're also a full-line Thor dealer. Thor has a very broad product range, so they really complement one another. And then we're also into selling a couple of different van lines, and they're both Canadian-based.
We deal with both Pleasureway and Road Trek. Road Trek is really technology-focused, both in their solar advancements and their advancements with lithium batteries. And Pleasureway has really zeroed in on the quality of their coaches. We generally don't see too many Pleasureways back here once they've left.
I want the people to feel comfortable coming here. They can come in and browse our showroom. Every motorhome is open in the showroom. And we want to give people a sense of what's available to them, because not every layout meets everybody's expectations or their desires. So we've looked at the whole company and built it to take care of our customers. So from the service department to the RV body shop to our parts department, which is a comprehensive store. And then outside, we've laid the property out in more like a park-like setting. So it gives people the ambiance of what will be like when they own that motorhome and they're on the road. So in every motorhome that they go into is staged like this particular motorhome, so people can see what it's like to live in it.
Process of customer service starts day one. As soon as they purchase the coach, we can take care of just about anything service related with the coach. We come up with maintenance programs for the customers to follow on an annual basis. We have bays able to look after any motorhome, any size. We have a hoist here as well, capable of lifting the largest motorhome that we have. At the body shop, we do everything from collision repair to paint repairs. We are involved with RV Care. That's a national program which gives us the ability to have our customers go to another dealer where we'll know they'll be looked after, and we'll be kept up to date as to the repairs and what was needed.
Buying a motorhome is a different experience than buying anything else. We want to facilitate versus sell. The customers are happy. We're providing opportunities for our staff, and that they're growing and that they're getting along as a cohesive group. Very proud of my team. It's pretty satisfying seeing somebody taking off and hearing that they're going for months at a time, and they have this fantastic trip planned across North America.